Hi guys, today's my topic is why media is corrupt in Pakistan. Media corruption in Pakistan is a serious issue and it happens due to a combination of political pressure, financial instability, lack of regulation, and compromised journalistic ethics. Here's a breakdown of why the media in Pakistan is often seen as corrupt or biased. Number one, political influence and pressure. Many media houses are politically aligned or funded by political parties or individuals. In return, they promote favorable narratives, suppress opposing views, or attack rivals. Journalists face pressure, threats, and even violence for not toeing a certain political or establishment line. Number two, military and establishment interference. The military and intelligence agencies have been known to control narratives, censor dissent, and promote propaganda through selected media outlets. Some journalists or anchors receive direct instructions or financial incentives to support the establishment's agenda. Those who resist face bans, intimidation, or job loss. Number three, paid content, Lifafa journalism. Some journalists and anchors accept bribes or gifts Lifafa in exchange for biased reporting, favorable interviews, or silence on certain issues. This destroys trust in the media and turns news into public relations for powerful individuals. Number four, lack of editorial independence. Many newsrooms are controlled by owners with business or political interests. Editors and journalists are not free to report objectively if it clashes with the owners' agenda or funding sources. Number five, financial instability of media houses. Many TV channels and newspapers are dependent on government advertisements or corporate sponsorships. To survive financially, they compromise editorial standards to please advertisers or stay in government's good books. Number six, sensationalism over facts. In the race for ratings and clicks, media often focuses on drama, conflict, and sensational headlines rather than factual balanced reporting. This makes news more entertainment driven and less informative or trustworthy. Number seven, weak media regulation. Regulatory bodies like PEMRA have been used to punish dissenting channels rather than ensure fair reporting. There is no strong independent media council to hold journalists or channels accountable for misinformation, bias, or ethical violations. Number eight, low professional standards and training. Many journalists lack formal training in ethical journalism. Fake news, unverified claims, and biased reporting become common due to lack of professionalism and fact-checking culture. Consequences of media corruption: misinformed public, divided society, weak democracy, loss of trust in journalism, suppression of real issues like poverty, education, health, and corruption. How can it be fixed? Promote independent public service journalism, enforce transparency in media funding and ownership, strengthen journalist unions and ethical training, create independent media watchdogs, encourage fact-based reporting over opinions and propaganda.